We're gonna go ahead and replace our ignition coils located underneath your hood. We want to go ahead and remove our engine cover right here. There's two flathead plastic tabs right here. Basically going to unscrew them a quarter turn. That'll unlock that cover. Lift it up, pull it up and out. Go ahead and set that aside. Now on our ignition coils, you're going to have a wiring harness that goes to it, and there's a little connector on the back side. You want to push down on the little spring clip on the back. It can be a little tough to get to, but basically what you want to do is pinch and pull. Press in that little lock tab, disconnect that harness, and there you have it. Right beside it, there's a little nut right here. I want to go ahead and remove that. Using a 10mm socket, I want to go ahead and loosen that nut. Go ahead and spin that off. Be careful not to drop it. Spin it off, set that aside. Now we can go ahead and grab the ignition coil and pull out. Go ahead and take that coil, just line that up, kind of work that down inside. Once that's down and seated, let's go ahead and install that 10mm nut on the back. And let's go ahead and snug that down. The process is going to be the same for the other 5. Take the electrical connector, line that up. You're going to press that on. You should hear that click into place, and you're all set. Now the cover itself is going to have 2 grommets right here, and then we have our 2 plastic locking tabs here. So I'm going to flip this over, line this up. You really want to line up those 2 little plastic locking tabs first. Once those are lined up, everything else should fall into place. Line those up. Go ahead, quarter turn those plastic lock tabs, and then just gently press down on the back side, and your cover is locked into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.